Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful skill in Smartsheet, how to insert rows exactly where you need them. Whether you're juggling a project plan, managing inventory, or just keeping a list organized, knowing how to quickly add rows is a real-time saver. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident inserting new rows into your Smartsheet, right where you want them with just a couple of clicks. Alright, let's dive right in. I've got a sample sheet open here with some data to help illustrate the process. Let's say you need to add a new task, update a project milestone, or simply make room for new information. The good news is Smartsheet makes it really straightforward. Start by moving your mouse over to the left-hand side of any row. You'll notice as you hover over the row numbers, there's a little icon with 3 vertical dots that pops up. Think of this as your quick access menu for all kinds of handy row actions. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A menu will appear with a bunch of different options, and toward the top, you'll see choices that say Insert Above and Insert Below. Let's say you want the new row to appear right after a particular item. To do that, just click Insert Below. Instantly, Smartsheet adds a blank new row right beneath the one you were on. It's like making a bit of breathing room in a tightly packed list. Now you've got space to drop in whatever information you need, exactly in the right spot. If you wanted the new row to go before the selected row instead, you'd choose Insert Above. Super intuitive, right? But that's not the only way to do it. Smartsheet offers a second method, and sometimes it just feels quicker, especially if you're used to working with spreadsheets. Instead of using the 3 dots, you can simply right-click on any row number. A menu will pop right up. Here you'll see an option that says Insert Row. Go ahead and click that, and just like before, a new row will be inserted right where you wanted it. Sometimes when you're working quickly or juggling a lot of data, right-clicking can feel more natural and save a few seconds. Now, a quick note, don't worry if you accidentally insert a row in the wrong spot. Smartsheet makes it really easy to delete rows or even just drag them up and down into a new position. So there's no need to stress if things aren't perfect on the first try. Adjustments are always possible. Also, keep in mind that adding rows doesn't affect the data you already have. All your current information stays right where it is, you're just making room for more. This is great when you're tracking action items in a meeting, updating a schedule, or capturing those last-minute details. And that's really all there is to it. Once you know where to look and which buttons to click, inserting rows in Smartsheet becomes second nature. Try it out a couple of times and you'll have it down pat. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or if there's another feature you'd like to see in a future video, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Smartsheet tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.